How to withdraw Pi coins from Pi app. First of all, let's navigate and open the Pi network app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three lines at the top left corner and from this menu, open the mainnet option. Next, find and tap on mainnet checklist to ensure that your wallet is set up and connected. If not, follow the setup process to create your Pi wallet. Now let's close the Pi app and open the Pi browser on your mobile phone. Once you are in, tap on the wallet to move next. Log into your Pi wallet using your key phrase or unlock it with your fingerprint. Once the wallet opens on the screen, tap on Pay or Request and then select Manual Add Wallet Address. Now here you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. So let's go back and open a blockchain app like OKX and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on Deposit and select Deposit Crypto from this menu. On this page, you can search or find Pi network and select it. Here you will find the Pi network address. So tap on Copy and let's go back to the Pi wallet again. Now paste the copied recipient's Pi wallet address where you want to withdraw your Pi coins. Next, enter the amount of Pi coins you want to withdraw. After that, review the transaction details carefully and once confirmed, tap on Send to proceed the withdrawal. And that's it. This is how you can withdraw Pi coins from the Pi app. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.